We are here, we are here, we are here. On this amazing day. Hey everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up BTC, USD. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. We are in the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle in the market on the monthly time frame is a doji. Right before that doji, we did receive two touchdowns, so that's a double bottom, and we have a retest. Market could be working its way up as we walk down a time frame. If not, that market is at a retest for it to break down to the next level, or we'll just get that consolidation in the area. So looking at the pattern that's being formed at this high, if that market is going to push down for that decline drop, we're looking for that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. That's the retest. Market can drop. We don't know how far this retest can go up if that market does drop. If it doesn't drop and price is respected at this area, we'll be looking for that first leg, second leg, third leg. So we'll be waiting for a engulfment pattern. We'll just be waiting for a candle to engulf the price action candle, which is the doji, to push that market up, and we'll be moving into third leg, into the fourth leg. Market push up that formation of that W. We look for that break and retest. That market to work its way up further. Headed down to the weekly time frame to see what's going on. Weekly time frame, price action, inverted bullish hammer. So price is trying to work its way up, create that W structure as we see at that bottom. Market stopped at area of support, so we do see that first leg, second leg, third leg. Market did push up to that fourth, put that fourth leg to the previous area with the wick touch, but body, price action bodies. Let's take a look at what's going on with price action bodies. So this candle is a inverted bullish hammer, but it's almost look like a doji. If you can see, price action candles is within these candles here. So that's a retest candle. So market's in that consolidation of that area. So every candle is in here is retesting. So what the market did was that market's gonna push up, push down. We'll be looking for market tag that first leg, second leg, that's the third leg. Market drops, decline, retest. Market's work its way down. So that's to break this range, upside or downside. That market's gonna shoot up. We can see that first, second, third. Market breaks all the way out. It takes a few more candles to break out. This market's gonna push up, and we look for the break and retest at that high of the resistance or support of that consolidation area near price. Headed down to the daily time frame. Keep our consolidation area there so we can see price bouncing in and out, so we can identify patterns in the market. We have a W here, so we can see this huge consolidation that the market's in. So okay, market's ranging side by side. In the structure, we have a W here, first, second, third, fourth, a triple bottom, and market pushed up. Right here, we have a double top, first, second, third, fourth. So market down into a double bottom. So we have first, second, third, and market pushed up for that fourth. The only thing we didn't see in this area is a break and retest. So you got to identify what's going on. Price action, bullish inverted hammer, second last candle, bullish inverted hammer, price at third last candle as well. Long wick to that one. So we definitely have to see price action candle break and close out above the third candle wicks and start tagging the second candle area, and then we'll probably see that push out. If not, price action running to that area of resistance, 3 touches to that top, 1, 2, 3. Is that a triple top that's going to form a doji probably and push that market down, or is that market is going to be respected by a retest and to push that market up? So if you connect the wedge wicks coming up, and you connect the bodies coming up, we can see that market is bouncing up and down in that area. Incline high wedge pattern forming in that area. We'll see as we walk down the structure on the 4-hour time frame. Price action on the 4-hour time frame, doji. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 4 candles is a doji. Right before that, we have a double top. So From what we see, what the market drew itself out and did, from this area, we got a decline W, or a single bottom, first, second, third, market pushed up. So we didn't receive the break and retest, so market did push all the way up. You're going to see that market's going to come back down for the retest and push up further. If not, market price going to respect this area here and then finally break out. So if it does, be breaking out for double bottom and triple bottom. But at this high, that multiple pushes to that top. 24-hour time frame with restructure with the bullish candles. We got green coming up, retest, pushed up, retest. So market's on the third leg. So if it pushes up for that fourth leg, we'll be looking for a W structure in that area. So coming down first, second, third, we get an engulfing pattern. Price pushes up, but the price action candle that's engulfs has to engulf the second last candle, mainly the third to last candle wicks and the previous candle's bodies to clear that area for that push up. If not, the market will hit the area of resistance, pushing up in that first leg in green, second leg, third leg. The market comes down with an engulfing pattern to the second last candle. It's going to push the candle that can push that market down for a double top. We're going to watch this market into this consolidation area, going up to the highest wick, walking down the time frame and see what's really going on. Head down to the 3-hour time frame. 3-hour price act. So second last candle, third last candle, fourth, fifth, all dojis. So you want to see a price break above that. Price action candle is a bearish hammer. So price is trying to work its way down from this area of resistance. So it's coming from that double top so far, but we don't know how far it's going to really drop down because we are near one of the areas of SR lines in another area at the low that we created from the higher time frame. So is it going to be respected here for that push up? So we could be looking for that first leg, second leg, third leg, get that engulfment pattern of price action. That's going to engulf the second to last candle and third to last candle. It's going to push that market down coming from that double top. Price is respected. We'll see that first leg, second leg, market respect on this third leg, and then we'll see that respect push up with that fourth leg with bullish candles in the market. Headed down to 2-hour time frame to see what's going on. Price action is in the range of the second last candle, third last candle, fourth last candle. So it's in that is in the even tighter range as we walk down the time frame. So we'll be looking for a breakout. High wick to the top of the third to last candle in the 2-hour time frame. May take a few candles to push up to that area. If not, big huge candle can push that area out that market. 1-hour time frame, price action is working its way down. Second last price action did not clear the second last candle. Wick and close out to push that market down. Wick is below wick bodies, below the previous bodies. A chance that it can't push, but you can see that it's near our SR line. So we got to see what's going on. Maybe want to wait until price break the second last candle wick. So the market's really going to push down and definitely gauges the opposite side. 1 hour, 45 minutes, identifying the same thing, headed down to the 30. On the 30-minute, we receiving 3 pushes down to that bottom. So is that price area is going to be respected for that push up? So we can see that huge double bottom will be coming from if that market pushes up in that area. And if that market pushes down, we'll be looking for the break, retest, and for that market to push down further. Headed down to the 15-minute time frame. We receive 4 pushes down to the bottom. Price action, second, third, fourth last candle all spiked that low. Third last candle wicked in, spiked that low too much, but it's in that range. So third last candle could be a retest candle. And now we're starting to see the retest in that area of resistance. So also we see prices breaking that previous area. Price close out below the previous wicks of this area. This can drop down. So price is at an SR line. Breaking down, waiting for the closeout that can push that market down further. Headed down to the 3-minute. 5, 3, gonna find the same thing. Headed down to the 1. Starting to see more pressure, bullish, dropping down. Price is breaking. Okay, so price is below the previous body. Wick is below the previous body. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX.